Water cooling? Let's do it!
Hey, what's up everyone, it's Ben here from HYTE Origins, and finally we are filming in the brand new office after the makeover. If you haven't checked out the video already, be sure to check it out. I will link it up here, so go watch it. Alright, today we're building a custom water cooling system for a very special guest, which is also an athlete.
Who's that Pokemon?
Any guesses? Well, I'm not gonna review just yet, so be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell down below so you don't miss out on our review for this very special guest. Now, let's see what we have for specs. The original plan was to use this EK Quantum Surface P280M X-Flow radiator since it has 4 mounting options, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom for better tube routing. I did not realize it was too big to fit in the HYTE Y60 case, so I ended up not using it. I know you guys are probably wondering if this is sufficient to cool such a system with only one 360mm radiator. Well, watch to the end to find out. This video is brought to you by us. At R-Type Origins, we specialize in building custom gaming computers tailored to your budget, performance needs, and aesthetic preferences. If you're interested in getting an estimate for your dream PC, be sure to go to our website and submit a build inquiry. We will get back to you as soon as possible. since we decided to not use a 280 radiator, I'm kind of curious to see what the temps are like without the 280 radiators, since we're only running one 360 on top. So I've been running Heaven Benchmark over here for the past 2 hours, and it looks like the CPU average around 65 degree, so which is not bad for only one 360. And for the graphics card, it averaged around, the core temperature averaged around 40 degrees, which is not too bad also, and the hotspot temperature is around 54. And you can also see here our fluid temperature is average around 33 degrees Celsius, so it's also pretty decent. The result we're getting from only one single 360 radiator is quite impressive, so I'll give it up to just one 360. So maybe in the future, if you guys plan to do a one 360 and you don't want to do dual radiators just to drop like a couple degrees, by all means go for it, because obviously one 360 is enough to supply a 4090 and a Ryzen 9 7950X 3D. So good job, one 360. In the next episode, I'm gonna be draining the fluid, removing some of the components, bring it with me, and ship the PC case separately. By the time I arrive there, hopefully the case is already delivered so I can start working on it. And it's gonna be kind of like a vlog style setup for this special guest. So if you want to know who that special guest is, be sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to our channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!